Begin with an engaging introduction that captures the allure and delicate beauty of wood anemone flowers. Highlight their versatility in gardens and their ability to add a touch of enchantment to any landscape. Section 1. Soil Preparation and Planting. Explain how to prepare the soil for wood anemones, including loosening it and removing weeds. Provide guidance on improving drainage and enhancing soil fertility with organic matter. Describe the process of planting wood anemone bulbs or rhizomes. Section 2. Watering and Care. Discuss the watering needs of wood anemones, emphasizing the importance of consistent moisture without waterlogging. Provide tips for watering frequency, especially during dry spells or periods of high heat. Discuss mulching techniques to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Section 3. Maintenance and Pruning. Outline routine maintenance tasks to keep wood anemones healthy and visually appealing. Discuss deadheading techniques to promote continuous blooming and prevent seed formation. Guide readers on pruning strategies to manage the plant size and prevent overcrowding. Section 4. Enhancing display with companion plants. Suggest companion plants that pair well with wood anemones, considering their growth habits, foliage colors, and bloom times. Provide examples of shade-loving perennials or early spring bulbs that can complement the wood anemone's delicate charm. Section 5. Dealing with potential issues. Address common pests or diseases that may affect wood anemone flowers. Provide tips on prevention and organic remedies for managing these issues. Emphasize the importance of good garden hygiene and regular inspections. Section 6. Propagation and Division. Explain how to propagate wood anemones through division, including the best time to do so. Describe the division process step by step, ensuring the successful establishment of new plants. Summarize the main points discussed in the video, reiterating the elegance and versatility of wood anemone flowers. Encourage readers to embrace these enchanting blooms in their gardens and enjoy the charm they bring to outdoor spaces.